Hello friends. Welcome to Energistat YouTube channel. Let us have a look at some important regulatory updates which were put out in the power sector during last week. Last week, CERC has come out with a mechanism to determine compensation on account of installation of emission control system by the generating companies in compliance with the revised emission standards issued by Environment Ministry wide Environment Protection Amendment Rules 2015 in respect of the thermal generating stations whose tariff is determined through competitive bidding under Section 63 of the Electricity Act 2003. The order is based on principle of restitution to restore the affected party to the same economic position as if the change in law event has not occurred. Apart from this, capex for augmentation of environment protection equipment will be decided on case-to-case basis. Moving forward, let us see more such important updates. MNRE has come out with provision of loan interest subvention for the demonstration of innovative biomethanation technologies and business model. Also, Ministry of Power has issued guidelines for encouraging competition in development of transmission projects and TBCB guidelines. Along with this, the ministry has revised guidelines and standard bidding documents, SBDs, for procurement of ISTS through tariff-based competitive bidding. Thinking on how to remain updated with such important changes? Or you don't have time to find out the documents of such updates? Or don't know who can provide regular updates? Don't worry. Energistat is out there to help you here. We provide a paid service, namely Regulatory Weekly, which can help you out in this regard. Regulatory Weekly provides such updates for sectors listed below directly into your mail, along with the links of original documents. This week we have released 124th issue, which covers 79 updates and 15 draft documents on which comments are invited from public. Hurry up, contact us at energistat@gmail.com to get a proposal as per your requirement. A service customized for you and at prices which you will feel worth buying.